we will see how to install and use Abbe Refractometer. First we will open the prism box by turning the key of the locking mechanism. Then, we will screw the thermometer into its designated slot on the refractometer. While taking readings, we will make sure to keep the mirror under the prism box. The knob at the back of the refractometer is used to adjust the scale and the crosshair's position. We can adjust the focus of the instrument using the knob above the prism box and top of the refractometer. We will use a dropper to put some distilled water on the bottom prism of the refractometer and close the prism box. Then we will use the eyepiece knob to make sure the crosshair is clearly visible. After the crosshair is clearly visible, we will use the knob at the back of the instrument to make sure the dark and the light zones are differentiated by the center of the crosshair. The zones will be differentiable after positioning the mirror under the prism box. Differentiated dark and light zones will look something like this. The reading of distilled water at 28 degrees Celsius is 1.331. After taking reading of the sample, we will tap it off the prism with a soft cotton cloth. Now we will take some lemon juice and use the dropper to put some amount on the prism. After closing the prism box, we will put some sample in the slot on right side of the prism box. Then we will position the mirror under the prism box, and use the knob at the back to adjust the scale in such a way that the dark and light zone are equally differentiated. We will use some distilled water to wash the lemon juice off the prisms and then use a soft cotton cloth to tap off the water. Now we will take some tomato juice out of a freshly cut tomato and then use a dropper to put its juice on the prism. After putting the sample on the prism, we will close the prism box and put some extra sample in the slot on the side of the prism box. Now we will use the knob at the back to adjust the scale such way that the dark and light zone are equally differentiated. After taking the reading, we will wash the prisms with alcohol and wipe them with a soft cotton cloth. Your instrument is ready to be used. Thank you.